Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change numbering in Canva. Whether you're working on a document, list, or any text-based design, Canva makes it super simple to manage your numbering. So let's get started. First, open Canva and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, click on Docs. This is where you can create or edit text-based documents directly inside Canva. When you're inside the document editor, look at the top of the screen and click on the plus icon. This menu gives you access to various elements, including the Numbered List option. Click on Numbered List from the drop-down menu, and Canva will automatically start numbering each new line for you. You won't need to type numbers manually anymore. As you add or delete lines, Canva automatically updates the numbering sequence to keep everything neat and consistent. If you ever want to change the numbering style, go back to the plus icon again. You'll also see options for bullet points and checklists. Bullet points work best when your list doesn't need a specific order, while checklists are perfect for to-do lists or tasks that you can mark as completed. Choosing the right list format makes your content more organized and easier to read. And that's it. That's how you can change numbering and list styles in Canva quickly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more simple Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.